Good afternoon sa mga followers ko, sa viewers, sa mga idol. Kakauwi lang namin galing sa trabaho. While nag-relax, may kanta ko para sa inyo. Sana magustuhan niyo. Paki-like na lang and share. Thank you. I did my best, but I guess my best wasn't good enough. Cause here we are back where we were before. Since nothing ever changes, we're back to being strangers, wondering where all to stay or head on out the door. Just once, can we figure out what we keep doing wrong? Why would never last for very long? What I've been doing wrong? Just once, can we find a way to finally make it right? May the magic last for more than just one night. If we could just get to it, I know we could break through. I give my all, but I think my all may have been too much. The Lord is we're not getting anywhere. Since we're always blowing, whatever we get going, it seems sometimes we're all we get. We haven't got to pray. Just once, can we figure out what we keep doing wrong? Why the good times never last for long? Where I've been going wrong. Just once, can we find a way to finally make it right?